So traders, as you guys can clearly see, this was a wonderful trading week. This was a hectic week, but overall this was a profitable and this was a great trading week. If you didn't have a profitable week, I ask and I beg that you use this weekend, back test, forward test, and prepare yourself for the next trading week. As you guys are all aware that the super held on King's COT, and I'm back again with another video. And on today's video, this will be our weekly trading outlook, preparing you guys and making sure that I prepare and not only prepare but also share possible directions for the coming week. But before we start the video, like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop 5 educational videos. And to far most importantly, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. But without further ado, let me make sure that I give you guys possible direction for the coming week of the 25th up and until the 29th, and to not only share possible directions but to also teach and show you guys how we look for possible trading setups on 3 trading pairs, starting off with the NAS. As you guys can clearly see that NASDAQ had a bear move to the downside the beginning of the week until price at this range, and then gave us a move to the upside to end the week. And as you guys understand that this was our double top resistance, which was our major resistance, right? So with a major resistance, you can clearly see that price had a push to the downside and a push to the upside. Just so to just conclude this with you guys on the NASDAQ, we're waiting for confirmation, and you guys can clearly understand that this confirmation is based on us having to see a possible break above, so we can look for continuations to the upside, or this failed to break, so we can look for the reversal to the downside, because price had this resistance and price gave us a break above those resistance and a break below resistance. So if we're gonna get a break above resistance, then we might anticipate those continuations to the upside. But if we're gonna get a fail to break, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside, making it simple that price is below resistance, looking to be bearish, but price is above resistance, looking to be bullish. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, we're gonna keep it the way we keep it on NASDAQ. Second pair, which is gold. So gold, you guys clearly understand that price had a range. We had highs and we had lows, and we kept it the way we kept it. We're simply waiting for a break below or a break above. And as you can clearly see, price gave us a break below and a break above and a retest below, giving us a move to the upside. So with this break above, in order for us to understand that we might look for continuations to the upside, but we're simply going to wait for confirmation to see bullish momentum above this very same zone, understanding that we might get a continuation to the upside. But with a breakout, if it happens that price breaks below, then I guess it was a freak out. As you guys can clearly see that we had a breakout and a break above. But we keep it the way we keep it on gold. Price had a range, and price gave us a break above and a break above. Price gave us a break below and a break above. Now we had a break above to end the week. If we're gonna look for continuations to the upside, then I guess we might keep it the way we keep it and look to be bullish with bullish momentum above our zone. But if price will give us a break below, then I guess we're gonna wait and see what is price gonna do. But understanding that price is above our resistance, our intraday highs, then we'll look for continuations to the upside. That's the confirmation we're waiting for. Are we gonna get bullish momentum above to look for continuations to the upside? But if we don't, then I guess we're gonna wait and see how is the week gonna end within our midweek videos. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, enough has been said. Gold is above. If gold will trade above, then we'll look for continuations to the upside. If not, we're gonna wait and see. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And as you can clearly guys understand that USDCAD, this is our major zone, and as you can clearly understand, we had a break above sometime, right? And price gave us a break below, and with a break below, price gave us a break above, creating this high, right? And price had an impulsive push to the upside to end our trading week. So USDCAD, we're gonna keep it the way we keep it. If price will continue trading above this zone, then we're gonna look for those continuations to the upside. But if price would give us a break below this zone, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. So we're gonna simply be bullish above our zone and be bearish below our zone. As you guys can clearly understand, price had a breakout, right, and a break below, and now price has a breakout. If price is gonna trade below, then I might look for those moves. If price is gonna trade above, then I might look for those moves to the upside. But if price is gonna trade below from this push, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside, and that will be how we're gonna keep it, and that's going to be how we're gonna look to trade USDCAD. But I repeat, it will be very simple. If price will stay above our zone, we're gonna look for those moves to the upside. But if price will give us a break below our zone, then we're gonna look for those moves to the downside, and that's all we're gonna keep with. Just waiting for confirmation, not forcing entries, not forcing setups, just waiting for the market to print out so we can easily react as traders. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the like, and I appreciate the subscriptions. As you guys can clearly see, we're growing as a channel, we're growing as a community, and we're growing as a family. I appreciate you guys as family members. Without further ado, this is boy Handam, King COT, and I'm gonna get you guys in the next educational video. Bye for now.